Breaking news. Donald Trump's social media company, Trump Media and Technology Group, has reported a massive financial setback. According to the company's annual report, the financial performance for the period was heavily in the red. Trump Media and Technology Group, or TMTG, reported a staggering loss of nearly $400 million. Compounding the losses, the company's overall revenue also saw a decline compared to the previous year. The annual report highlighted specific details regarding the drop in financial performance. Specifically, TMTG's revenue dropped by approximately 12% year over year. The heavy losses were largely attributed to a significant rise in the company's operational costs. Another key factor contributing to the negative financial results was weaker advertising revenue across the platform. This financial context surrounds the Truth Social platform, TMTG's primary product. Donald Trump originally launched Truth Social after being banned from several major social media networks. TMTG now faces the challenge of addressing these significant financial losses and boosting its revenue streams moving forward. We are diving into the recent financial performance of a major social media company, looking at their latest figures and growth stage. The company has just announced key financial figures, providing insight into their current monetary standing. According to company figures, the total yearly revenue reported was a modest $3.6 million. However, net losses have significantly increased, reaching nearly $400.9 million. The company offered an explanation for these financial results, tying them to their current development phase. The company emphasized that it is still very much in an early stage of growth. This early stage is often characterized by heavy investment, which explains the high net losses. Due to their current size and phase, the company maintains a specific policy regarding the disclosure of key operating data. Unlike more established competitors, the company does not publicly share detailed user numbers. Similarly, specific advertising data is also being withheld from public disclosure at this time. This approach contrasts with larger social media companies, who typically share these metrics. In other significant news, context around a key stakeholder's holdings was also revealed. It was noted that Donald Trump had previously transferred his stake in the company to a family trust. This family trust, holding the stake, has been valued at billions of dollars. These figures highlight the company's significant investment phase as it strives for growth in the competitive social media market. Today, we're examining the significant impact of the volatile cryptocurrency market on our company's financial health. Our cryptocurrency investments were severely hit by the recent market downturn, compounding existing financial pressures. The falling prices of Bitcoin and other major digital assets have been a primary factor in this financial weakening. These declines have further weakened the company's overall financial position, creating challenges for immediate stability and future planning. We recently expanded into ambitious crypto projects, ETFs, and digital finance businesses, aiming for new revenue streams. However, the prevailing market weakness prevented these expansion plans from delivering the anticipated major profits. The continuous decline in Bitcoin prices has understandably raised serious concerns among investors regarding our long-term stability. These challenges force us to carefully reevaluate the outlook on the future performance of the company in a volatile financial landscape. We are actively addressing these market challenges to safeguard our financial future and restore investor confidence. Welcome to an analysis of Truth Social's current market challenges, examining its size, financial performance, and strategies moving forward. Analysts are closely observing Truth Social's market standing, noting several key areas of concern as the company navigates the competitive digital landscape. A major challenge for Truth Social is its platform size and growth trajectory compared to industry giants. Truth Social remains significantly smaller than established platforms like Facebook and X, struggling to achieve comparable scale and reach. Reports indicate that Truth Social's user growth is reportedly limited, suggesting difficulties in expanding its user base amidst fierce competition. The financial performance of Truth Social has also raised concerns among investors and market watchers. The company's stock price has continued its downward trajectory, reflecting investor skepticism and market pressure. This decline has resulted in significant losses for many investors who bought into the company's stock. Conversely, some reports suggest that short sellers successfully capitalized on the stock drop, benefiting from the falling price. In response to these challenges, the company is implementing new strategies to improve its market position. Truth Social is actively attempting to strengthen its market position and address the financial and growth concerns. This includes rolling out new business strategies and making substantial digital investments to boost performance. Despite strategic efforts, Truth Social continues to face persistent external challenges. Economic pressure remains a key factor, potentially impacting advertising revenue and investor sentiment. The general market uncertainty further complicates the path to recovery and sustained growth for the company. In conclusion, Truth Social is at a pivotal moment, working to overcome significant market and financial hurdles. The journey ahead for Truth Social is an uphill battle, requiring successful implementation of new strategies to compete and stabilize its financial standing.